Hey everybody, Cody here, back with another Proto Tech Tip. This week's tip is all about jog and material offset bends. So here at Protocase we offer a number of different types of bends. We touched on a number of these in previous videos, but today the one I want to talk to you about is called a jog bend and a material offset bend. A jog or material offset bend is actually two bends that are placed in real close proximity to each other in order to raise the surface of the metal. These bends are offset from each other by a fixed distance, which is why they are commonly referred to as material offset bends as well. We can perform these types of bends in two different ways. The material offset bend. This bend is actually performed in one single motion using a tool that has an imprint built into it which will form the metal into one singular offset. It may look like two separate bends, but it's actually only one. This type of bend will typically only raise the surface of your metal by the thickness of your material. And secondly, the jog bend. This is a more manual way of achieving a material offset bend by actually performing two bends that are in very close proximity to each other. Each bend is less than 90 degrees, so when they're both formed, the surfaces are parallel to each other, similar to a material offset bend. Doing the bends this way allows us to achieve parallel distances that are greater than the material offset bend because we are controlling each individual bend manually. These bends can be useful when you're designing maybe an offset base that tucks inside of your lid, or for when you need a little bit more clearance to bypass a certain piece of geometry. So if you take a look at our sample here, the base actually has offsetting flanges that tuck inside the cover and allows the cover to remain flush with the outside of the case. It's important to ensure that you leave enough clearance between the offsetting flanges on your base and the inside of your cover. The typical distance of 10 to 20 thousandths of an inch will work fine. Make sure you check out the links in the description below for some more Proto Tech Tip videos on sheet metal bends, and also check out some of our blog posts and resources as well. Well guys, thanks for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip, and see you next week for another one.